Don't want to miss thousands in dollar value airdrop, so you don't need to spend any dime in this airdrop. You just need to spend your time in this testnet arena right here. You need to come to this ZOTH. This platform is real world asset focus platform, and one thing you need to be doing right here on this app, you need to come over here and come to this place right here and request for testnet token. Press this and it's going to lead you over here to click this link to get this testnet token. Once you input your wallet and press get this token, they are going to send token to your MetaMask address. Once you get this token in your MetaMask address, step 2, you need to come press this link to swap this token to this earning token. Come over, it's going to lead you to this page right here. It's going to lead you to this page to swap your token, and this is going to take a little time. And once you swap this token to earning, and you need to come over here again to cancel this. Now you have this earning token to stake. You can press max and press deposit. Once you deposit, you'll be able to find your transaction over here. Once you do all this on-chain transaction, you can just keeping asking for testnet token, so you can receive testnet once after 8 hours. So once you request for a testnet token, you just need to wait for additional 8 hours for you to be able to request for another testnet token. Once you finish with that, you need to do social tax. So you'll be you'll be visiting this exchange right here, website rather, to receive these 10 points and connect your Discord account and receive these various points. And this point is coming, so and join Telegram point 50 points. And right here, you need to press this link to register domain name for this beer and chain right here. You need to register that. Press this. Is very simple to do. You will see 400 points and the same thing. And for you to be able to do this, you have to spare up to $10 to $8. So if you don't want to get this 200 points, you might leave it not to get it. And I'm going to do this later when I have a little amount of money to spare to do this testnet. And if you don't want to spend, is fine. And right here, you can come to this board right here to see the rank you will rank among people that are farming this airdrop. Note, I just start farming this airdrop. I just discovered about this. So there are some people that's already been farming this airdrop right here. Right now, I'm rank 39,800 with 550 points. So if I supply another token right here, which I have right here that I'm going to do later, I think I should be able to earn maybe additional points and with deposit money over here. And yeah, you just need to keep doing this, interacting with this platform. I've read their news. You can just check their social out. Come to this right here to read about this airdrop. I've read the information about this. They have confirmed to launch token in the nearest future to airdrop token, and for people who participate in the testnet event. The product is already launched, but they just want to airdrop token to their community and build big momentum for their projects. That's why they are doing these activities airdrop to build a community. Yeah, that's why they are doing this. In crypto, if you want people to test out your project or your product, you just have to airdrop token to users. So this is what I will be doing. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. If you want to just join this event, make sure you check the link in the video description. I'm going to leave this, and join this, and see you on the next video.